Hi friends, today's learning goal says I can explain how the Earth's surface changes. Now before we begin to read, I want you to think about how may the Earth's surface change? What may be some examples that you can think of before we begin? Pause the video and think about it in your head. When you have an answer, hit play. Slow changes. Earth's surface is always changing. Some changes happen slowly. Weathering happens when rock breaks apart. Water and temperature changes cause weathering. After rocks break apart, wind and water can remove small pieces from rocks. This is called erosion. Weathering and erosion slowly change the shape of the land. Fast changes. Heavy rains can cause a flood. It can make rivers rise and overflow onto the land. Water can rush down a hill. It pushes soil and rocks down. This is a landslide. The rock deep inside Earth is very hot. When a volcano erupts, melted rock rises to the surface. It pours out of the volcano as lava. Lightning strikes. The sudden heat can set a tree on fire. Wind blows the flames to other trees. Then a large fire, known as a wildfire, burns through the forest. Let's look at these pictures. This is a flood. This is a wildfire. This is an example of a landslide. And this is a volcano. And all four of these represent fast changes. The slide before it, these were slow changes, weathering and erosion. And if you see these rock structures right here, they used to all be connected, but because of weathering and erosion over long periods of time, they wore away the rock and formed what's kind of like a canyon where water flows through. This is kind of the bottom of that canyon over here. So these are examples of slow changes, and these are examples of fast changes. And if we go back to our learning goal that says I can explain how the Earth's surface changes, now we know that the Earth's surface can change slowly or it can change quickly. I hope you had fun learning about changes on the Earth's surface.